Looking for a reliable, high-performance lab homogenizer? Meet the Refurbished IUL Masticator ALA016-5, precision-engineered for effortless sample processing. With high torque, variable speed operation, it ensures thorough and consistent masticating for any laboratory need. And thanks to its precision digital control system, you get complete accuracy with every use. Built from durable stainless steel, this unit is designed for long-lasting performance while maintaining the highest hygiene standards. Plus, integrated cooling keeps your operations stable, even during extended use. Safety is a priority, with advanced interlocks and automatic overload protection, so you can work with confidence. And with its user-friendly digital display, making adjustments is fast and easy. Best of all, this masticator has been expertly reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by Galileo scientific specialists, guaranteeing optimal performance at a fraction of the cost of a new unit. Upgrade your laboratory with efficiency and reliability. Contact us today to learn more.